Okay guys, we're ready for the random selection and it is 5:54 p.m. So we're going to select the video, and I've never done this before, so bear with me. This will be a first using this particular random picker. Pick a winner. And let's see, this is the video. We want to type in our keywords. Now, hopefully you entered, and you entered by putting in a comment that said COPTECH Vault. And you also had to be a subscriber. So those two things, and you would have the opportunity to win that $18.92 Liberty $half, the alien sticker, and a lot of other things that we threw in that packet. So here we go. Got the words in there, let me type them in there, COPTECH Vault. Oops, almost misspelled it, V-A-U-L-T. All right, here we go. Ready, on three. 1, 2, 3. Pick a winner. All right. And our winner is Peedee Sanddigger. That is cool. Oh my goodness, Peedee Sanddigger. Hey buddy, you're the lucky, or girl, Peedee Sanddigger. That's a crazy name. You are the lucky winner. So hit me up in a message with your email address and your mailing address, and I will get this out to you first thing in the mail. Just send me a private message, and we'll get this off to you in the mail. Hey, you know what? I think we should do another one. I didn't plan to do this, but I've got. Let's do a couple of stickers: an alien sticker and the COPTECH little 3-inch sticker. It's pretty cool. It's the logo that I use, and we'll do another one just for the heck of it. I kind of enjoy doing this. So let's do one more. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pick a winner. Bam. Doug, my man, Doug Lightsey. Hey. Oh man, Doug. I'd say it's awesome that you won, brother. I know Doug. He's one of the faithful supporters of COPTECH, and I really appreciate, Doug, you followed all the videos and all your comments throughout the years, man. I really appreciate that. Guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Now, we'll give you one quick tip. Last week, I made an epic find, and I'm still working on it. It's going to create some news you will not want to miss when I put this video out. I cannot discuss much more about it, but it is a once-in-a-lifetime find. You will not believe it when it comes out, and I'll do a premiere on it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for playing the game and entering, and I'll see you on the next dig.